Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit transitions between scenes in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to make your video projects look more polished and professional by adding smooth visual effects between your clips. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where you can start bringing your creative vision to life. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to work with video dimensions that suit your specific project needs. Once you've chosen your size, click Create New File to open up your workspace. With your workspace ready, shift your attention to the left panel where you'll find various tools and options. Click on Upload. This is where you'll bring in the video footage you want to work with. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select your file. Choose the first video you want to use from your device, then click Open to import it into your project. After your first video is uploaded, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you'll see your video timeline. Look for the plus icon beside your first video clip and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Upload from Device. This allows you to add your second video clip to the project. Choose the video you want to add next, then click Open to bring it into your timeline. Here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the plus icon that sits between your first and second video clips. Click on it and you'll see an option that says Add Transition. Select this option to begin creating a smooth visual connection between your two scenes. Adobe Express will present you with several transition options to choose from, such as Push, Slide, or Wipe. Each of these creates a different visual effect, so take a moment to browse through them and select the one that best fits the mood and style of your video. Click on your preferred transition to apply it. Now that your transition is in place, you'll want to customize how long it lasts. Look for the adjustment button near your transition and click it. You'll see a slider appear that allows you to control the duration of the transition. Drag this slider left or right to make the transition shorter or longer depending on the pacing you want for your video. This level of control ensures your transitions feel natural and intentional rather than rushed or drawn out. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Click the play button to watch your video with the transition applied. This lets you see exactly how the two scenes flow together and whether any further adjustments are needed. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized transitions between scenes in Adobe Express, giving your video project a more dynamic and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.